What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new update on Polygon and MATIC. I wanted to do a quick update on that after yesterday. We actually got some bearish momentum again in the markets, but MATIC has actually been holding up fairly well. We did not drop down nearly as much as most other cryptos, and if you compare us to like Cardano and Solana, which we are kind of in the same boat as since last Saturday, we've actually been, we've actually recovered quite a bit as well, which I think speaks to how strong Polygon still is. But in this video, I wanted to talk about that a little bit more and also do a little bit of a technical overview, because right now that we have not dropped down that much definitely does not mean that we will not drop down that much, right? So it's still very shaky, it's still very unstable in the markets right now. So I just wanted to do a full update on that so you know what to expect, or at least in my eyes, what to expect. All right. So that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals and join our premium signals group, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. Very easy to join. You become a better trader and investor. I'll guarantee that. And, we're also making some money. So if you want to join that, check that out. But for now, on to MATIC. So as you all know, usually what I do is I check out how Polygon is doing, because the value of MATIC and a trend does depend on how the underlying network is doing. And what we're seeing is that Polygon is also stabilizing. Daily transactions, daily active addresses growing, total value locked stabilizing very much so. And the Polygon ZK EVM, as we all know, is still growing rapidly. Daily transactions, daily active addresses doing amazing. Total value locked at 25 million. It's good. All right. So that's, I think, one of the reasons why we've actually been holding up fairly well. Apart from that, like I said, I mean, when we actually dropped down to that level right here at around 52 cents, what we did afterwards, which is actually very important to realize, is we got quite a big number of bullish breakouts. Like we instantly broke above 56 cents. Then the day after, we broke above 60 and 62 cents. And then we were trying to get up towards that 0.618 FIB, but that 0.618 FIB of the move down, most cryptos actually did not get there, even though this Fibonacci level is actually not too great to use. I think we should use something like this. I think that's more valid. All right, so we got to the 382 FIB, but that's a very strong Fibonacci level. I did have hope, and I still kind of have hope I used to have hope we could break above that, but in the end was a very strong resistance level. And then yesterday, when the interest rate decision was also not as bullish as we expected, we dropped down. But even right now, even though we had a minor bearish breakout right here through 62.7 cents, very precise, we're still in this kind of upper region. You can see that there's two highlighted regions in this bigger key area, and we're still in that upper level. So if we can actually, there's still a small chance that right now we can actually break above 62.7 cents, so 0.627. And if we can do that, then all of a sudden we have some bullish momentum back, and I think we can actually get back to those levels around 66 and 68 cents. Rallying is a little bit too much to ask, I think, at this point of time, but then we can stabilize, which is already a bullish thing, I would say. Do I think this is the most likely scenario? No. Do I think it's a possibility? Yes. I think this is like a 40% probability. On the other hand, I mean, Bitcoin right now is still primed to fall, right? So even Bitcoin looks like it's going to get a bearish break, retest, and then continue to fall. So with MATIC, that could be the same. We could have a little bit of a fake out above 0.627, but then continue our fall down towards this level right here at around 56 cents. I think that's more likely. And then from this consolidation, we'll see. It very much depends on what Bitcoin does again, unfortunately. But even if we have that drop, we're still, over the last week, we're still pretty stable, which is, if we take a look at Cardano, for example, Cardano just had a major bearish breakout. And Solana has been very weak ever since we had a little bit of recovery on Sunday. So MATIC is actually still doing fairly well, but I mean, it's all relative, of course. But that's my full take on MATIC for now. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.